Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to reset Samsung washing machine to factory settings. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So resetting a smart washing machine or your Samsung smart washing machine here to its factory settings should only be considered if all other troubleshooting methods have failed. So you need to follow the following steps for you to perform or do a factory reset. First, ensure your washing machine is actually powered on. Press and hold the options button for 5 seconds, and this button typically looks like a finger with a plus sign on it. Now press the circular button to access the system functions. Rotate the knob until you see the factory reset on display. Press the circular button again to confirm your selection, and use the knob to highlight OK on the screen. Now press the circular button one final time to initiate the reset process. So that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.